Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new topic, that is trigonometric identities and how we can solve it in a very easy and fast way. Okay, most of the students I know get stuck in T identities question. So we'll see a trick how we can solve T identities question very fast. So before, let us understand the difference between an equation and an identity. So a equation can often be solved to find a value of x. For example, we are given with an equation that is x square is equal to 1. So if we solve it, we'll get two values of x that will satisfy the equation, that is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Whereas an identity, the two sides are equal for all values of x. Okay, because one side of the equation is just a different form of the other side. For example, we are given with an identity that is x plus 1 whole square. So if we expand, we'll get x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is an example of an identity, since left hand side can be expanded to give us right hand side. Okay, so while solving trigonometric identities question, okay, what we have to do? We have to show that one side of the equation can be transformed into the other side of the equation. Okay, and we'll see how we can do this transformation using a trick. Okay, and it will help us to solve some T identities question very fast. So let us discuss a question. 1 upon tan a plus tan a is equal to 1 upon sin a cos a. So what the trick says, we have to replace cos a with x, sin a with y, and tan a with y by x in any given question. So I am taking left hand side. Let us replace tan a with y by x. So 1 upon tan a can be written as y by x plus y by x. Okay, similarly solve it further, so it will become x upon y plus y by x. Take the LCM, do the crosswise multiplication, will get x square plus y square upon xy. So x square plus y square, you can see it is giving us an standard T identity. Y square plus x square is nothing but sin square a plus cos square a, which is equal to 1. So I can replace x square plus y square with 1, and in the denominator we'll get xy. Now again replace x and y with sin a and cos a. So 1 upon x can be written as cos a, y can be written as sin a. So you can see this is equal to right hand side. Okay. So you can see using the trick you are able to solve this T identity question very fast. Let us discuss one more question. This is a question of our NCERT. We'll use the same trick. Take the left hand side, replace cos a with x, sin a with y. So x upon 1 plus y plus 1 plus y upon x. Take the LCM, do the crosswise multiplication. What will get? X square plus in the bracket 1 plus y whole square, and in the denominator 1 plus y multiply by x. Okay. Solve the numerator, open the brackets, will get x square plus 1 plus y square plus 2y upon 1 plus y in the bracket multiply by x. Again you can see we are getting x square plus y square. So I can replace x square plus y square with 1, and we have 1 already. So 1 plus 1 will give me 2. So I can write it as 2 plus 2y upon 1 plus y multiply by x. Now take 2 common from the numerator. You will get 1 plus y in the bracket divided by 1 plus y multiply by x. 1 plus y and 1 plus y will cancel out. What will remain? 2 by x. So x can be again be replaced with cos a. So 2 by cos a, we know the reciprocal of cos a is sec a. So our answer is 2 sec a. So you can see this is equal to right hand side. Okay. So you can see we are able to prove T identities question in 3-4 steps. Okay. In less than 3 steps, we can prove T identities question using one identity only, using one standard identity, that is sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Understood? So thank you very much everyone. I hope you enjoyed this trick.